We're walking in. Hi. Hey, we're at ACME and it's about 7:45 maybe. And we're going in. Ellie's got all my stuff, our stuff. We're gonna go get set up and you're gonna come with us. All right, here we go. All right, this is what it looks like when all the guys just get in here and they start setting their stuff up. It's a madhouse.
How about that?
It's a madhouse.
And then you have any color, 4, 6, 8 cylinders. But so on this bird here, I use okay. So on this here, I used like rubber wire. It's like rubber. It's for model railroading is what it's for. Yeah. That's what I used on. I see I lost my ground cable on the way here, so it must be inside the car. I didn't even notice. Yeah, nobody does, but I lost that. So a few parts broke off on the way here. All that good stuff, but that's just polished. That's not polished. That's just MCW paint twice.
It's just black plastic polished out.
Yeah. I did not polish that one. There's no clear on that one or nothing. So that's just sorry. That was just 2 times around. So. I spent a lot of time wet sanding. Now the 71 Mustang, that's clear. Well, that one turned out pretty nice. I would say it's probably one of my better builds. Okay, so the black that gives you the template, that does not find out okay. That worked out nice.
It's 4126. And put 67 for the description. 67. Shelby. GT. 350.
Shout out to my long lost cousin Scott Inman. He built all these. This is my favorite. It was on thumbnail from the Simpsonville show. Yep, Scott Inman. It's a Scott's Scaled Builds. Oh, Michael, I forgot. Sorry.
Oh, it's all right.
I'll swap places.
That's a nice use for that. I've often looked at that base and said, what can I do with that? How can I make that?
So here's Rick from Rusty Rotor's Model Garage. There's his Mercedes.
No, this is an incredible show. It's just loaded with all kinds of goodness. There's probably kids here you'd be interested in. Yeah, I'm afraid so. I did the
Wow,
the one
that is amazing.
Nothing to grab, unfortunately. So good prices on putty and glue and stuff. So really like that bottom. Ooh, I need some white. Somebody got gray. I don't know if I saw white.
Chevrolet. Yeah. 66.
So this is Mr. BG. BG's Model Workshop. He built this desert scene little mini. I was waiting to see this. I asked him if he would bring it to ACME. Great job.
Which one? This one right here. That's incredible. Like there's another one that's fascination. I try to do a little weather, different styles.
You did a good job. You got it weathered up, that's for sure.
Let's go. That is cool.
And the Camaro's yours?
Yeah.
Porsche.
Got 32 Ford.
That's you? Uh-huh.
Yeah. I got a tractor. The picture here, a tractor I have over there.
Yeah.
And a couple of trucks over there. Scattered everywhere.
Yeah. I've got them all over the place too. I haven't seen him today. He was around the hotel last night, but I haven't seen him today. Yeah, I thought that he would be here, and he may be, but I haven't seen him. Yeah. So this Jimmy Lefford's USAC build, I'm letting the cat out of the bag. Oops. Anyway. Looks too cool. Got a coyote. Also Mr. BG's. Great job. Wonderful finish. Mr. Gerald Wolf built this. wheelies.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Oh, you're fine. Talk all you want. Talk all you want. You made the video.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know you were videotaping.
It's fine. You can't just be silent because I'm here with a camera. Just when I zoomed up on Fred Henry's name, his voice started. That was so odd. That was crazy. Yeah. So Fred Henry came in and totally distracted me. See, he's still trying to distract me.
I know. I mean, come on. This guy is a slack builder.
He wants me to continue to film his car is what it is, so I'll get off of it.
Concept.
And this is Mr. Craig from Craig's Corner. I have no idea if the camera's focusing or if it's on. You know, it could be over my head. It's all good. He came from Michigan?
Michigan.
Michigan.
Michigan. 816 some miles.
800. A pile of miles.
Pile of miles.
Michigan to Atlanta.
A lot of gas in the dog.
There you go.